Hi, this is Alex Eagle. In this video I will show you 4 most popular love magic rune formulas. First rune formula is the Tevas Gebo Berkana. Tevas is the rune of the male energy. Gebo, rune of relationships, rune of exchanging gifts, of harmonious communication and of positive interactions. And Berkana is the rune of the female energy. This rune formula is a universal rune formula for improving and harmonizing relationships between a man and a woman. The second rune formula is a universal rune formula for finding a partner to create a family. Raido, Gebo, Otala. Raido is the rune of the path. In this formula it represents the path and the process of meeting, finding, attracting your partner. Gebo is the rune of the relationships. It means that after meeting a relationship happens. And Otala is the rune of the family. It means that this all moves towards creating a family. A universal rune formula of passion and love. Gebo, Kenas, Vunio. Gebo is the rune of relationships. Kenas is the rune of the fire, rune of passion, rune of lust and romance. And Vunio is the rune of the joy, satisfaction and positive, pleasureful emotions. Overall, this rune formula attracts romance, passion and love into your life. And another popular rune formula is Kenas, Gebo, Lagus. Kenas is the rune of the fire, passion and love. Gebo is the rune of relationships and Lagos is the rune of water. This represents that these two aspects, passion, love and relationships, are streaming into your life like a river, and they are a non-interrupted flow of positive, romantic and love energy coming into your life. So these are the 4 most popular rune formulas for love magic.